And the track though is more interesting for us, I think, after it makes landfall. So we can't do anything about the Florida unfortunate impact, as it might become a Category 3. We talked about that rapid intensification. The storm is still about 1,000 miles away from us, but now is the time to prepare too for the possibility of very heavy rain in our mountains and the threat of some wind concerns inland, possibly as far north as the Carolinas. We're going to talk a little bit more about that. This is going to be a powerful hurricane likely at landfall. First though, we got some showers and thunderstorms out there that may become severe a little later for us into the late evening hours. First line is here in the northern section of the system, and then we're going to see more thunderstorm activity as we get you going closer to the dinner hour. And it does look like it could continue with waves of storms possible through about 2 a.m. and then starting to ramp down as we get you into early morning on Wednesday. So showers out there right now between Jefferson and Sparta. We've got some good pockets here of energy that'll come in from the south and west, and we've got some of that pushing north and east to us for right now. Overnight we had some good heavy super soakers too. More than an inch in Greensboro, almost an inch in Burlington, and about 0.08 of an inch in Danville. So these sections of the eastern triad really getting in on some good soaking rainfall. Now we're going to see more rainfall by the end of the week and tonight, potentially along the North Carolina-Virginia border. We do have a front that is stationary now, stretched out with us. Our temperatures are mild and it's muggy out there. So we have temperatures that'll stay a little bit below normal with the gray skies. Winds are generally calm, but pushing more of that moisture in from the south today, and we'll see temperatures typically 78 degrees. We've got 75 right now in Winston-Salem, upper 70s, possibly near 80 if you get a little break in the cloud cover. But we do expect to see more of those thunderstorms popping up later as we go into the evening hours. That's when it becomes an impact evening for us. We've got showers and storms that might produce hail and wind, so severe weather threats may accompany the system along with flash flooding concerns. We've got you at 64 tomorrow morning as we see those temperatures continue to build into the 60s too. And you're looking at those showers out there right now. We've got hour by hour forecast showing you the shower thunderstorm activity building as we go into the evening hours. Highs today in those upper 70s to near 80, but I think a lot of folks are hanging in those 70s for a good while here. Very gray skies, heavy rain, a concern for some of the commute in the mountains. So along the Blue Ridge Parkway, North Carolina-Virginia border, we may see a couple of thunderstorms begin popping through the afternoon and into the evening hours. And so by 8 o'clock, we see one wave. Another wave starts really building and moving in from the north and west, sliding south and east. So we've got a southerly component early in the evening hours. Then another wave comes through from 8 to midnight to bring in more full thunderstorm activity, and this is where we could get some large hail. That's the kind that could damage homes and trucks. So if you can garage your car tonight, that would be a great idea. We're talking about 1/4 inch hail or more potentially with some of those showers and storms. By early tomorrow morning, those scattered showers start to wind down, and then we're going to see a little bit of a break for most of Wednesday. Now PTC number 9 has just become Helene. Helene will likely become a hurricane. So landfall forecast for you in Florida along the coast. We're expecting the Big Bend area still. That takes it straight up through Georgia and the Carolinas, and possibly the heaviest of rain coming in for us late Thursday night into your Friday. Taking a look here, you can see the possible tropical development by Thursday evening. It's inland over Florida, likely as a Category 3 hurricane. 115-mile-an-hour winds possible. We're going to see that lift in with tropical storm force winds and rain potentially for folks in the Carolinas, at least South Carolina, Georgia, as we go through the day on Friday. Some of that's going to swing our way too, likely depression at that point or remnants as it moves to the north going into areas of Virginia. So we're going to be watching this carefully. It does look like we get a lot of that rain in our mountains, and as it lifts in the mountains, we get even more opportunities for rainfall. We could be talking some 5 to 8 inches, and you're looking at the estimated rainfall from Florida, heaviest along the Panama City area and Panhandle, and then we continue to see that fill in once we get you into late Friday into early Saturday, and that's when things start to improve. But you've got 7 to 8 inches possible to our west, even 5 inches possible here. All right, so we're already on Helene. We're going to talk more about it coming up. The 7-day forecast brings in rain chances Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, hopefully.